The session is now called to order.
Upang bihirang bunga ng pag-ibig sa handang-lupit ito kasisi sa lahat ng bundok sa simulan sa langit o baba ay ilapang tula at awit sa nalagay na mahal ang isang ng patawat ay nanatiligit ang bigubig na parang ng kailan ang ating pag-ibig lumalaman ang sintahan
Please remain standing. Honorable Bani Senyar, kindly lead the prayer.
The Sangguniang Panlalawigan Prayer. Dear Lord, as we deliberate in today's session, give us the wisdom to overcome passion. Give us that understanding heart to do away with prejudice. Give us the foresight to know what the future may devise, and give us the courage and strength to seek the truth and what is good. Give us the facility of language that we may be understood. And finally, O Lord, make us worthy public servants of this province we deeply love and highly honor, the province of Camarines Sur, the premier province of Bicol Region. Amen.
Roll call of members.
Honorable Vice Governor Fortunato C. Peña, OB. Honorable Board Member Warren A. Sr. Honorable Board Member Romulo O. Hernandez. Honorable Board Member Darius S. Nopra. Honorable Board Member Fabio F. Figuracion. Honorable Board Member Nelson B. Julia. Honorable Board Member Rudy T. P. Espiritu Jr. Honorable Board Member Angel G. Naval. Honorable Board Member Emmanuel H. Noble. Honorable Board Member Hilmar S. Pacamara. Honorable Board Member Amador L. Simando. Honorable Board Member Giovanni A. Sinyar. Honorable Board Member George R. Bengua. Chairman, I have the honor to certify the existence of a quorum.
With the certification from the Provincial Secretary as to the existence of quorum, the Chair declares the presence of a quorum. Recess for 1 minute. Sisay mo ng acting majority floor leader. Okay, sir? Acting majority floor leader mo na. Yaman dyan. Yaman dyan, siyangit na. Baka yaman na. Ha? Yung recess pa man? Ano? Siyang vice chairman niya. Mani ka naman eh. Mani Noble ka na. Kaya sige nga. Motion. Okay na, mas makikita. Ano, okay na? The session resumes. The temporary presiding officer is appointing Honorable Mayor Manny Noble, Mayor Board Member Manny Noble to be the acting majority floor leader.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Approval of the journal of the previous session.
Yes, that's the item. Approval of the journal of the previous measure. Do I hear the motion from the majority floor leader?
dated December 2, 2014. I move for the approval, Mr. Chairman.
There is a motion for the approval of the journal dated December 2, 2014 during the 69th regular session. Is there any second to the motion? It is duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the motion for the approval of the journal dated December 2, 2014 of the 69th regular session is approved.
Approval of the agenda.
Any inclusion?
Is there any inclusion before we approve the agenda? Honorable Julia, you are recognized.
Mr. Chairman, I move for the inclusion of resolution authorizing Honorable Governor Miguel Luis Arbilla Perte to execute,
Tantulo.
enter into and sign for in behalf of the provincial government of Camarines Sur a deed of usufruct with the municipal government of Bonbon, Camarines Sur regarding the province properties situated in Villa Echeret, Barangay San Francisco, Bonbon, Camarines Sur.
Where do you want that proposed resolution be included? Under business for the day?
Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Is there any second to the motion? It is duly seconded. The proposed resolution sponsored by Honorable Julia is included under business for the day. Is there any other inclusion? Honorable Espiritu, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I move for the inclusion under business for the day a resolution extending heartfelt sympathy and condolences to the bereaved family, relatives, and friends of the late Cristel Maymay Cleofe Padasas, volunteer worker of the Catholic Relief Services who died in an unfortunate incident on January 17, 2015 after the papal mass at Tacloban, Leyte, with the Honorable Emmanuel Noble as the principal author and yours truly and board member Figuracion as co-authors. I move for its inclusion under business for the day, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any second to the motion? It is duly seconded. The inclusion of Honorable Espiritu is included under business for the day. Is there any other inclusions? So, Majority Floor Leader.
So, if any other inclusion, Mr. Chairman, we're going to proceed to the...
Is there any motion for its approval as amended? Make a motion, Majority Floor Leader, please.
I move for the approval of the...
Agenda as amended.
Agendas of the agenda.
There is a motion from the Majority Floor Leader to approve the agenda as amended. Is there any second? It's duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none. The agenda for today is approved as amended.
F3.
Next item.
Circulars, letters, and other communications.
So under
Majority Floor Leader.
under reference business F1, F2,
F2, F3A, F3B,
and
F3C, F3D.
F3, Mr. Chairman, be referred to the appropriate committee.
Okay.
F3A.
Under F1,
All under item F3, circulars, letters, and other communications. F3A up to F3D
3B.
are duly noted. Next item, please.
F4, review of municipal and city resolutions and ordinances.
So under for review, Mr. Chairman, be referred to the appropriate committee.
Refer to the appropriate committees. Next item.
G, the calendar of business. G1, committee report of the Joint Committee on Rules, Internal Government, and Public Accountability, and the Committee on Laws and Review.
Honorable Simando, as with regards to the Joint Committee report. on the
Mr. Chairman,
controls-
may I move that the committee report be presented by Honorable Nabal because he is the one who chaired and
Okay.
prepared the committee report.
Okay.
So
G1B, Committee on Land Use, Conversion and Reclassification and Provincial Property.
We will go back to the committee report Majority Floor Leader, with the permission of the honorable body, we can proceed with the
G3.
Mr. Chairman,
business for the day.
Business
committee
for the
report,
day.
business for today.
Inclusion of Honorable Julia.
Honorable Julia, you are recognized.
This is Mr. Chairman, the resolution authorizing Honorable Governor Miguel Luis R. Villaperte to execute, enter, and to sign for in behalf of the provincial government of Camarines Sur, a deed of use of frac with the municipal government of Bunbun, Camarines Sur, regarding the province property situated in Villa Asiaret, Barangay San Francisco, Bunbun, Camarines Sur. Whereas Section 465 of Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991, states that the provincial governor, being the local chief executive, shall represent the province in all business transactions and sign for in behalf all contracts and obligations and such other documents upon authority of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan. Whereas the provincial government of Camarines Sur is the owner of the lot situated at Villa Asiaret, Barangay San Francisco, Bunbun, Camarines Sur. Whereas the municipal government of Bunbun, Camarines Sur, through Honorable Mayor Maria Luisa Angeles, had requested the provincial government for a USOPRAC agreement for the purpose of introducing improvements and formulate numerous projects to be implemented in the area and to address the needs of the community for access roads, daycare centers, and other facilities. Whereas the provincial government of Camarines Sur has no objections to the intention of the municipal government of Bunbun, it allows the use of the aforesaid lot in introducing improvements as well, as it will be beneficial to the residents in the area. In order to full effect the intended use of frac, it is necessary to authorize the Honorable Governor Miguel Luis R. Villaperte to sign for and in behalf of the province of Camarines Sur the contract of use of frac and all documents and contracts pertaining thereto. I move, Mr. Chairman, for the approval of resolution authorizing Honorable Governor Miguel Luis R. Villaperte to execute, enter into, and sign for in behalf of the provincial government of Camarines Sur a deed of use of frac with the municipal government of Bunbun, Camarines Sur, regarding the province property situated in Villa Asiaret, Barangay San Francisco, Bunbun, Camarines Sur, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any second to the motion? It's duly seconded by Honorable Bengua. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved. Next item, please.
Inclusion of Honorable Spirit.
Honorable Espiritu, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, considering the facts wherein this incident is a very much publicized incident during the visit of our Holy Father, wherein Cristel May Padasas perished in an unfortunate incident when a scaffolding where loudspeakers were mounted fell on her head. A strong winds brought by a tropical storm struck the platform where the Pope was about to celebrate his mass. And considering the fact, Mr. Chairman, that this young lady, Cristel May Padasas, grew up in the home of her grandparents in Buhi, Camarines Sur, part of the 5th district of Camarines Sur. This humble representation as co-sponsor and with the main sponsor as board member Emmanuel Noble and co-sponsor board member Figuracion, move for the approval of resolution extending heartfelt sympathy and condolences to the bereaved family, relatives, and friends of the late Cristel May Cleofe Padasas, volunteer worker of the Catholic Relief Services who died in an unfortunate incident on January 17, 2015, after the papal mass at Tacloban, Leyte. I move for its approval, Mr. Chairman.
Is there any second to the motion? Still seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next, Mr. Chairman, the proposed ordinances.
So we will the committee report. So The Honorable Simando is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This refers to the Joint Committee report of the Committee on Rules, Internal Government and Public Accountability, and the Committee on Laws and Review. This pertains to the review of Ordinance Number 011-2014 of the Municipality of Pamplona, Camarines Sur, entitled An Ordinance Establishing the Pamplona Public Safety Office, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. Mr. Chairman, we have furnished copies of this report, recommending for the disapproval of the ordinance being invalid. May I move that this committee report, joint committee report, be approved?
Is there any second to the motion? It is duly seconded.
Okay.
The motion of Honorable Simando is approved.
Thank you.
The other one for the G1B.
So, next item,
Next item.
Other matters?
Other matters. Announcements.
If any other matters to be taken up, Mr. Chairman? Any other matters?
other matters,
If any other matters, Mr. Chairman?
I would like to inform the body that now it can be told that if in any event happens to the majority floor leader, the acting majority floor leader now is really deserving to be the majority floor leader in the coming days.
Considering, Mr. Chairman,
And
that
also, we would like to inform you that tomorrow we still have a session tomorrow, regular session at, again, 10 o'clock.
Mr. Chairman, considering that
Yes, majority floor leader.
the absence of the presiding officer, I think the vice chairman is the honorable gentleman from the third district. In the event that I'm the one to be only as acting garo ko yan lang ako, garo.
For now, you will be the acting majority floor leader. But in the
So,
coming days,
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, if any other any other
is there any
matters-
motion for the adjournment?
any other matter to be taken up, I move for the adjournment, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, the session is adjourned. All right. Pwede na pala.